Hi, my name is Afi, and in this video I will show you an application the team and I have been working on called ExecutiveApp. ExecutiveApp is a lightweight sales management app that tracks your finances, products, orders, and stocks. Let me quickly show you the power of ExecutiveApp with a few examples. Currently, I'm in the products page, and if you look at the bottom, there are three types of jewelry boxes: orange, red, and blue. Each of them costs 15 ringgit. Now let's go to my dashboard so I can show you that currently I have 1000 ringgit cash in hand. Next, we'll move into the orders page. So in this page are orders that I have fulfilled and also orders that are up and coming. If you look at Ahmad's order here, the status currently is transit. Now, I heard from Ahmad that he already got the order. So what I can do is I can select Ahmad's order, click upgrade status. It says here, mark this order as delivered. Click yes. And you can see the status of Ahmad's order has been delivered. And if I look into my dashboard, 30 ringgit has been put inside my finances. Simple as that. Alright, so if you look closely, the amount that was debited into finances is 30 ringgit. But if you look into Ahmad's order, it actually costs 34 ringgit. Why is that? Well, before that, let's go to the products page first. So what's happening in the products page is I've modeled the shipping costs as a product. So you can see here, shipping to West Malaysia costs 4 ringgit and shipping to East Malaysia costs 7 ringgit. And the idea is that Ahmad will be covering these costs. So since Ahmad is paying me for the delivery and then I have to pay that to the post office, in a sense I do not get any profit from this transaction, which is why the profit here is 0 ringgit. So the idea with ExecutiveApp is if the product has a profit value, when it does the calculation on how much it should debit into your account, it will debit the profit rather than the unit price as a whole. And this is useful in another use case, which I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so if we take a look into Ahmad's order, we can select the order and view. You can see that that is the case. The jewelry boxes that Ahmad bought were blue in color, and he bought 2 pieces, which is a total of 30 ringgit, and also the shipping cost is 4 ringgit, but the amount that was debited into finances is 30. Let me show you the other case where how ExecutiveApp uses the profit value can be useful to us. Let's go into the products page, and what I have at the top are 2 products, the dress and a handbag, and they cost 30 ringgit and 25 ringgit respectively. Now, the idea is that I am a dropship agent, and for every dress that I sell, I only get 7 ringgit, and for every handbag that I sell, I only get 5 ringgit from the transaction. So let's try and create one order of 1 dress and 1 handbag. I'll go into orders and I'll add an order. I can drag the windows around. So let's say our customer is Sally. I'll put in her contact number. And let's just leave the address for now. The date, I'll put it as 21st, 3 p.m. And let's keep it at confirmed. Okay, so how do I add items? It's very simple. I click on the add button and the add item form shows up. Now, one quick way to add your products into an order is if you go into the products page, if you look, each product has a product ID. So if you put your product ID number in and you press this button, it will autofill the details for you. Very easy. Click on add item. I'll add another one, which is the handbag. And there you go, very fast. Now, I can click on add order and this order will be added. So, now, just to test it out, let's set this order as delivered. Set the order, save, and it says here, a debit entry with the ID will be created. Click yes, and you can see previously it was 1030, now it's 1042, which means there was 12 ringgit added into the account. And that is correct because I sold 1 summer dress and 1 handbag, which 7 plus 5 is 12. Now, you don't have to define everything that you sell as a product. In fact, you can add in custom items inside your orders on the spot. Let me demonstrate that. Let's go to orders. And let's open Tyler's order. I'll add an item, and I'll say that this is a handwritten letter, and I'm charging 10 ringgit for a quantity of 1. You can add that item, and there you go, it's inside the order. So for contract-based businesses or service-based businesses, you still can use ExecutiveApp. Okay, now in terms of stock tracking, just want to point out that here Tyler bought 5 pieces of orange jewelry box. Alright, now if we go into products, we can see that the orange jewelry box has a stock tracking of -5, which means I owe some of the stock. Now for products that do not have a stock value or a stock number, then they are not tracked. Let's try and add some stock to this product. So I'll click on the add stock button after I select the product, and I have the add stock form. So I can say quantity added, I bought 30 pieces for a total cost of 300 from my supplier. So you can see at the bottom, per unit cost is 10 ringgit and I am selling them for 15 ringgit. I can add the stock in, and there you go, the stock is updated. And when you create an order and you add the products in, for the products that the stock is being tracked, it will be subtracted. So that way you can monitor the amount of stock that you have for all your products. ExecutiveApp is being actively developed by the Decritech team, and we are adding new features and improvements as time goes on. If you have any suggestions for features or improvements, you can go to the Contact Us page on the website and let us know. And if you'd like to join the community of business owners that are using ExecutiveApp to manage their business, you can go to the website and get free 30-day trial. That is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.